Today's vlog is we're going to the over there because yeah. But you know what, my loves? If you think that you have in the car seat, sorry, it's really difficult the situation, my love, while you are when you are very expert in English, you know. So I have with me the very expert of explanation about car sake. Okay, so actually, he don't want to see his face in the camera because his face is very precious and yeah, he's driving at the same time. His face is very precious and very famous, and he don't want to be famous and famous. So yes. What? Okay, now are you ready, my loves? Let's get the introduction first. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel of blessing. Hi. Okay, now we're back. I'm back. You're back. They're back. So, Mr. 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 Anonymous, can you please explain to me about why people get the car sick? Why people feel the sick of the car?
The reason why people get sick of the car is
Okay, wait. Hey. I have the equist in the back at the back of the car. So can you please shush? Okay. So again, I'm gonna repeat the question, Mr. Anonymous. Can you please explain it to me? Why? Why some person get car sick of the car of sick?
people get car sick because it depends on the car. If you're traveling in a poor quality car, you're gonna get sick. If you're gonna travel in like a Rolls Royce, maybe
Wait, sir.
Ferrari,
Can you louder your voice?
you're not gonna get sick.
Okay, again. Okay, here's the question, my loves, because I feel sick of the car. I don't know why I feel sick of the car. Maybe the driver, or maybe the car, or maybe the environment around you, or maybe the quality of the car. But now, there is a really good explanation about why you feel sick while you are traveling. If you are in the land, or if you are in the high, or even if you are in the sea, there is an explanation about that. Now, I will introduce to you the sexpert and the expert and the expert and the expired bird. Alright. Now, please welcome Mr. Anonymous.
Okay, the reason why people get car sick is because there's an organ inside the head which maintains your balance. Now, it's important when you're moving around like that, see that balance becomes upset. But if you can see something that's static and level, then it's easier to maintain your balance and you won't get car sick. So when you're traveling, what's really important is to make sure that you're visually observing something which is like not moving but is fixed to the ground. Right? So you understand that?
Alright, my loves, did you understand that? Actually, my loves, I don't really understand what he's talking about. But if you understand that, and if you get the reason why you feel feel sick of the car and you feel sick of the car and the car sick, you know, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because if you feel sick, just come to my channel and open it and you can see my beautiful face. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell for notification. Please like and share, because you are, I am. See you, my love. Remember, health is wealth. Don't forget to hold this one while you're traveling, just in case your driver will smash the car. Say yeah.